Hi guys, today we're going to do an example of dividing complex numbers. So here's our example we want to work today. We want to divide 3 plus 2i by 4 minus 3i. So this is basically a problem of rationalizing the denominator. We have to remember that I is a root, square root of negative 1. So we want to get, in this case, the i's out of the denominator and just have a rational number or a whole number as our denominator. So our trick to do that is to multiply the top and bottom by the conjugate of the denominator. In this case, the denominator is 4 minus 3i, so we want to multiply top and bottom by 4 plus 3i, which is just the same as the denominator with the sign in the middle changed. We have to put parentheses around everything because we want to multiply this number times this number, so we're going to have to FOIL that out. So when we FOIL, we're going to get this expression. It's best to just write everything out so that you can not make computational errors. It's easy if you try to do more than one step at one time. You're going to miss signs or combine the wrong terms or make any kind of easy mistake that's available to you. So this is what I get when I FOIL everything out, and now I will go ahead and combine like terms, and I know that I squared is equal to negative 1, so everywhere I see an I squared I'm just going to replace that with negative 1. So in this case 9i plus 8i is 17i. The conjugate trick will always cause your outer and your inner I terms to cancel, so that's something that we expected to happen, and our I squared, our 6i squared term becomes 6 times negative 1. Our minus 9i squared term becomes minus 9 times negative 1. And when we go ahead and simplify those numbers, then we've got like terms again. The 12 and the negative 6 combine to get 6. The 16 and the 9 combine to get 25. So this is our combined answer is 6 plus 17i over 25. We've got our i's out of the denominator, which is what we wanted to do. Our last step is just to rewrite it in standard form, and standard form of a complex number is a plus bi, where a and b are real numbers. In this case, a and b are going to be fractions. We just have to separate them into two fractions and move the I out to the side of the second fraction. So our final answer is 6/25 plus 17/25 times I, and that is in standard form. When you do break it apart like this, you should always check to see if you can simplify either one of your fractions. In this case we can't, so this is our answer. Alright, that's all for today.